Hello children, for desktop user also we are going to make butterfly. In that first we are taking oval tool. Now I will make eyes with oval tool only. You can take the circle tool also. Then I will select eraser tool to erase inside lines. Eraser tool, this is your eraser tool. For desktop user, I am making this for desktop user. Now again I am selecting oval tool to make eyes. And I am making smile also. Now I will select pencil tool. You can select the size of pencil also. To make heart, you can make any type of pattern. Now I will select line tool to make antennas, and to make pattern. This is line tool. Now again I am selecting oval tool to make pattern. Now I will select color bucket tool and fill the color. As I am selecting yellow color, both the side yellow color, green color. Now I am selecting red color. You can select any color as per your choice. Now as you can see, my butterfly is ready. You can save from the save option, and here also you can save and set as a desktop background. So please try at home. Thank you so much children. Be happy and healthy. Thank you so much.